Hi, I'm standing right in front of my house again. I've been away for 3 days. I had to take care of my old father. He's now 94. He just turned 94. So I left, early on Friday. This is a Sunday, by the way. And I left early on Friday, so I was away Friday all day, Saturday all day, and Sunday until now. And it's something like 5 o'clock, I suppose. I don't know. It's, well, the sign's still out, but still. It's almost, the time for sunset. Anyway, so while I was away, they put concrete on the floor, and also as you can see, they started working on the eave. What they are going to do, I've been told, is that they will remove, most of maybe all of them, I don't know, of the roof tiles. They are heavy, and they are many of them are damaged. And in case of an earthquake, I mean, Japan is known for experiencing heavy earthquakes. So if there is an earthquake, you see, it's not good to have a heavy roof. Anyway, so they are going to change it to some light metal plate, galvanized metal plate, or something like that. So let's go around the house. Before I left, like on Thursday, late on Thursday, I was told by the boss, by the big boss of these workers, contractors, that even on Saturday I can step on the concrete, and I don't. On Sunday, which is today, 2 days since they put the concrete in, certainly I can step on it. So as usual, I'm gonna go in through the north door, and I'd like to see if oh yes. Oh, I noticed one thing on the way. It rained a bit, actually quite a bit, and look, the pond, the reservoir, whatever you call it, it's full of water now. Can you see it? I don't know if you can. Sometimes, on the video, it's kind of difficult to see if there is water in the pond. But anyway, there is a lot of water here, and now yes. So this is the north entrance of the house, and I'm gonna go in. You see, it's all concrete on the floor. Concrete. This space used to be a kitchen, and they didn't put concrete in here, but they put concrete all over the place. That's nice. This is good. Concrete here, and concrete all over the place, like so. Oh, by the way, this will be the north end of the house, and they're going to remove this, this section. They're going to remove this section, and if possible, they'll try to use, these windows and move it over here, and they'll build a new wall here. That's what they are going to do. Wow, that's nice. How nice. And because now they put concrete around around the pillar, like so, as well as these reinforcement bars or wood pieces, whatever you call them. So it's supposed to be much stronger now. And if you recall, this is the main pillar. This is the main pillar of the house, and it's also, reinforced. And by the way, I was wrong. The other day I thought they put these, because it was necessary to hold this. For the structural strength of this house. But they said these are temporary supports, and they are going to put something smaller, like so, and another one here, like so, and then after that it'll be much easier to walk around. As it is, I'm not necessarily very unhappy about what they've done, but that's good. And around here they are. Whoa. And right. Do you see the roof tiles? Do you see the roof tiles there, piling up there? They must have come from this eave. It's just an eave. By the way, the main roof, it's made of straw. Straw hat. That's straws. So the main roof is, luckily, it's light, and they covered the straw roof with a thin metal plate, and so they're still holding up. That's pretty good. And I can actually. By the way, this room. If you recall, this room is going to be a storage space, and they put concrete here as well, and concrete, and it seems, I'm not sure, by the way, how thick this is. I do not know, but they did a good job, and now it's sturdy, strong, and safe, I think. So I can hardly wait until tomorrow when I can meet the contractors again, and also I can perhaps meet the boss of the construction company, and they're using a support like this. They'll tell me about where we are, in our do you call it a renovation, reinforcement, something. It's so nice. It is so nice. Wow. I'm so happy. Before I knew it, I was whistling. So, let's see. Let's get out. So it looks like, from the north entrance, it looks like this. The inside looks like this, And from the south entrance, they're going to put the door here. From the south entrance, it looks like this. Wow, I love it. Okay. Yes. All right. So this is the guy who used to live here. So this is Mr. Nakai. So Mr. Nakai, your building is refurbished and renovated and reinforced, and I'm going to put it to good use. Thank you. Okay. I wonder what this is for. I mean, reinforcement for sure, but oh yeah. So let's go and look at the distant mountains again. So I'm going into the house, 150-year-old house, from the south side and walking through the north entrance. Now it's an exit, but anyway. And here we go. These are the shredded pieces, the pieces I shredded 3 days ago. Oh, it's nice, It's a shock absorber, so it's kind of nice to walk on it. And so the distant mountains are, I think, since it's right after a fair amount of rain, not like heavy rain. I think the rain brings down dust and various particles in the air, and I think the air is clear now, and because of that you can see the ridge lines very well. It's beautiful. I like that. Also, it's a bit earlier than usual. That helps. So the ridge lines. Okay. All right. That's good enough. And tomorrow they're predicting a fair weather. I mean, at least it's not going to rain. So I'm gonna continue shredding, I guess. Shredding those dried tree branches and trunks. Let's go and look at the the sky right before the sunset. Oh, it's kind of cold. I just realized I need to take care of these bamboo trees as well. Some are still alive though, but like this one is obviously dead. These are dead, but some are alive. All right, I'll take care of them. Wow. Look at this scaffolding. It looks so professional. But then again, they are actually professionals, so their job is a professional job, of course, I know that. But still, I'm impressed, impressed, or I like the fact that they're actually putting, this kind of scaffolding here and then working on the eave. I don't know. I mean, many boys like things like this, right? I mean, a little stairs, I guess, metal stairs here, and what do you call this thing? This is to carry like dirt and stuff. This cart of some kind, and I guess. All right. There's too much cloud, so you can't see. I mean, you can see the sign is still out and it's behind the cloud, but maybe the sign's just about to come out. I don't know. But it's not like you can see the sun, and you can't enjoy the usual orange sky either. So, all right. So, I am signing off. I'm getting cold actually, especially since I'm just walking around and I'm not doing any work, heavy lifting, no, nothing. My hands are getting very cold. It's time to go inside and sip a nice cup of coffee, and in time have a nice dinner and get ready for tomorrow, bright and early tomorrow. Well, maybe not that early, but like 10 to 11 o'clock start. That's what I'm shooting for. So see you later. Bye bye. Until next time. Bye.